I better not get copyrighted from this trash music. But I'm at the quick start right now. That's like our, I'll be talking too much. Anyways, I'm just about to grab a few snacks for tomorrow. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, is there anything I need? I got hand sanitizer. I got a weapon. Got everything I need. Deodorant. It would be nice to get some mouthwash. I really wish I could get some lashes, but yeah, my family probably would like talk stuff anyways. Oh, they got some masks for $1. Oh, what is up, everyone? This is Larry here. Welcome to and back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me on like a weekend road trip with me and my family. So right now I have all of my bags. They're getting a rental, so everybody is leaving right now. Well, my nana and my uncle, they're leaving. They're about to go and get the rental, and then everybody else is just, you know, finishing packing up their things and getting ready and everything like that. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm not really doing much. We're gonna get food on the way there, and yeah, that's about it. I brought my like traveling tripod or whatever. Broke. So my phone up on this later, but I'm gonna put this in my bag. I was about to say I was fully ready, but I forgot that I need to brush my teeth and like quickly like wash my face up real quick. It is now it's about to be 7:30 a.m. I am tired. I went to sleep at like, 4 a.m. or so, maybe, probably about 4 a.m. Put out some of this Victoria's Secret Winter Woods perfume. I need to go put some deodorant on too. Okay, now I'm about to put on some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula chapstick thing. I think it's new. Oh no, but it has SPF 15 on it as well. Alright, while I'm waiting, I want to show you guys what I got for my snacks. I got some sprinkles, some gummy worms, beef jerky, and gum. And then I got these extra masks just in case somebody needs one. It is now 8:07. I'm grabbing all my stuff and I'm going to the court. We're in a rental and I'm trying to look for the dang trunk popper. But it's so deep. Here, put this in the front. This is what the rental looks like. This is like a red van. Y'all, the trunk is so much deeper. I got my blanket. I got my travel bag just in case we go somewhere. And I got my snacks. Watch out, Zan, forget to view the car. It looks so nice in here. It has like this, I don't know, what is this? Is this a TV? Oh, it does have a TV. It's a travel car. That's nice. There's
2 videos.
3. Are these TV compacts? Wait, why would they put 2 TVs?
TV in there, Gloria?
Maybe like if you want like range. That is cute. I like that. Look at Blake. Hey, Blake.
Hey, Blake. Hey, look at the dog. Where the dog at? Oh, Jesus.
Now we're in Valparaiso, Indiana. We're stopping right now at is this a gas station? What is this? What is this there? We're at White Castle. They're getting food. I'm not hungry, and if I was, I got like a beef jerky and some chips. But yeah, I just dozed off for like 12 minutes.
AJ don't like
I'm most definitely not going to be filming the ride home, but I'm just gonna say that we're like almost out of India. I mean India, what? We're almost out of Indiana, and it's funny because the whole time we were like in Indiana, I was just looking at the maps, like we're right next to Detroit. I was like, we're right next to Corey, and that just shows that I have stalker mentality, and we're not for it. But anyways, the next time I'll actually record is in Ohio, because I've been basically like filming like so much like content of the trip and the road, and you know, filming while we're on the road, but I haven't really thought about, you know, like I'm gonna be there for 2 more days, like, and we're gonna be going places and doing things, and like, you know, I'm not trying to have an hour video. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it down, and the next time I'll see you guys is when I am finally in Ohio. Okay, we're all here now in the hotel room where everybody's getting dressed. This is what my outfit looks like. It's a cardigan. So basically we're back in the room now. I didn't really film that much when we were like with our family. We're back and we're about to watch a movie now. But yeah, I'm not really gonna film the rest of the night. I'm just about to go to sleep. But tomorrow, what's tomorrow? A memorial?
Grandma,
like a get
memorial, where we go to the graveyard and let out the moon.
Tomorrow, yeah, we're going to see the memorial and visit my grandma's graveyard. She passed away not too long ago. And yeah, just like visited around with family and talking, you know, get to know people and everything like that. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day, and we're on the way to another hotel. We're on the way to a new hotel because the one that we were staying at had like a nice location. It had a nice location, but like it was kind of dirty. So we're switching and going to the hotel that our other family's staying at. How to start my video.
The fourth one.
4, AJ. Was that him coming? Probably. So basically we're here now, and yeah, it's really, it's like definitely an upgrade. But yeah. We don't know our they're still getting our rooms, so we don't know our room number yet. So basically we just walked off, and now we're going back down because why not? So basically we were just walking through the lobby. I was showing you guys the exercising room, the gym, oh my gosh, and the empty pool. It was empty because of COVID, and I'm pretty sure the doors were locked because of COVID. But basically we were just waiting until they gave us our room number and visiting with our other family. I was also trying my best to give you guys a little tour. A little kitchen space, way better and worth the money.
You got to leave. You have so much later. And then it's counts more and more.
So, little stank.
Where you got it?
Right down there.
Is he?
Alright, you want to go say like in the number?
Okay, little cabinet space and closet, yes. We just went to the dollar store and picked up all the balloons that we ordered for my grandma's memorial. So look at my leg in the balloon. I can't. There's balloons everywhere. There's silver balloons up here, and then there's pink balloons back there. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's hard. My phone about to die, but like a whole bunch of me and my family are outside looking for my granny's grave. We do not know where it's at. Everybody confused. We got maps and markers and stuff like that, but it's hard. And the office is closed, so we can't go and ask them like where the grave is at. So like a bunch of us are out here walking around. You see all those vehicles? That's all us, all the way over there. So many of us, though, I swear. I'm making a vlog.
Oh, you on YouTube?
Yeah.
What's up, vlog? It's your boy. It's your boy. Gang, big cousin a bit. Play with it, you gonna die. Oh God.
Period. Hold on, let me go say hi to little cousins. Y'all want to be in the video? I know Layla.
Who let the balloon go?
Y'all over there. Hey, y'all, subscribe to her channel, y'all. Y'all run it up and stuff.
I want to be in the video.
Subscribe to her channel. Keep subscribing, y'all.
After the memorial, we all went to my uncle's house and ate and gathered around and talked and everything. And we fell asleep because we were so drained.
So we went down because you know every time I hear. Somebody on folks.
This will be it for today's vlog of the, what is it, day 2 now? We're only staying here. We'll leave tomorrow, but oh, look. Big boy. This hotel is so cool, yeah. But yeah, I'm just playing The Sims and we're watching Jenny and Georgia. Yeah. On the lobby, we're eating breakfast now. Cereal, milk, and then I got orange juice, and there's a hold on waffles, but I got a waffle too. It's 12:37 p.m. Yep, on Sunday, and today is the day that we head back. We didn't really go places. We ate and stuff. We got food and stuff like that out and everything like that. But we didn't really go places because COVID and everything like that. We're already like risking it, like being all everybody, so many people around us, but. Really, this trip was really just to get around family, gather around, go to the memorial and like hang out with everybody and enjoy the day. The weekend, just as like a vacation, stay away and get away and everything like that. And it was really fun. It's been great so far. And yeah, so everybody is now at my uncle's family home. My uncle's family home. Yeah, my uncle's home. And we're just, visiting for the last time and saying goodbye and everything like that, because today everybody leaves. A few of our family members are already on the way back home because they live like all over. So yeah, it's crazy. Like, that is really how you know that family is good and family is great, when everybody gathers around, like from like all different sides of the world. Like, not like we're all in the same country, I'm pretty sure, but we're all like in different states. We just said our final byes and we're about to head on the road soon here. But yeah, I'll just be doing a little montage, just a little side views of the road, because I'm not really gonna talk much because music's gonna be playing and everything like that. But yeah, pretty much I'll talk to y'all when I get home. We be strolling, we be walking, we be walking. so much. I loved being around family and being able to see everyone and, you know, having fun and everything like that. It was a safe trip. Everyone got home safely. Look, thankfully, it was a very long trip, but it is now 10:13 and I am about to go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be true, be you, go ahead with your best self. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys would like to see anything else like this from me. Bye everybody. Peace and love.